Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? So today I've got another unboxing video for you, and I'll be unboxing a Dell Vostro laptop. It's what I deem to be a budget laptop from Dell, but still decent spec for that matter, which we'll touch on. But should we go ahead, get it unboxed and have some first impressions of it? So here it is. It was delivered here yesterday. It's been sat waiting for me to unbox it and take a look at it. So let's see what we've got. So as ever, box is quite tough on this, and as typical with Dell packaging, they've used the cardboard based protectors. So we'll go ahead and get them out of the way, and that should leave us with the laptop. Let's take a look and see what we've got here. So here's the laptop itself. So this is a 15-inch Dell Vostro laptop. It's got an i3 10th generation processor. It's got 8 gig of RAM. It's got a 256 gigabyte SSD. So whilst I said it was a budget laptop, and it is a budget Dell laptop, actually it's a really good spec. It is a really good spec compared to, cheapest of the cheap. It's not that. It's decent, this is. So here we go. Let's take a look at it together. So there we go. It's a nice looking machine for something at this price point. I will do a full review of this, but I just wanted to show you it unboxed, and that's it now. Ready for setup. So that'll go through to the workshop and we'll begin setting this up for our customer. I'll have a play with it as well, and I will do a full review of this laptop, see what I think of it, and I'll post it here on the channel as ever. So thanks for watching the video. Please do smash the like button if you've enjoyed this. Please do comment and get back to me, and I'll try and personally get back to you. Please do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time, and please do use the links below to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.